Welcome back to Crypto News Daily, the channel that brings you the most up-to-date news about cryptocurrencies every single day, without failure. Today is August the 1st, 2021, and at the time of speaking, Bitcoin is at $41,512, ETH is at $2,455, Dogecoin is at 20 cents, Cardano is at $1.30. First article of the day. Crypto prices are bouncing back. Is it time to invest? Cryptocurrencies experienced jaw-dropping gains earlier this year, but they've taken a beating over the past couple of months. The price of Bitcoin, for example, fell by more than 50% between mid-April and late July. ETH has plummeted around 57% since its peak in May, and Dogecoin dropped by nearly 70% since reaching its record highs. Recently, however, crypto prices have started to bounce back. Bitcoin is up by more than 33% since July 21st. Ethereum's price has increased by 28% in that period, and Dogecoin is up 20%. Now that cryptocurrency prices seem to be back on an upward trajectory, does that mean it's time to invest? Here's what you need to know. If you missed out on the last crypto craze, it may be tempting to invest in cryptocurrencies now to take advantage of its rebound. But there's no guarantee that prices will return to their record-shattering highs. Before you invest, think about why you're investing. And if it's solely to get rich overnight, that may be more of a risky move than you expect. Investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, and putting a lot of money behind an investment that may or may not pay off could be a costly mistake. On the other hand, if you want to buy a crypto because you believe that it has a bright future, it doesn't necessarily matter when you invest. The best investing strategy involves taking a long-term approach, so it's wise to buy only if you intend to hold it for several years, if not a few decades. Because you'll be holding investments for a long term, it may not make much difference whether you buy today, a month from now, or 6 months from now. In other words, if Bitcoin is eventually worth, say, 500k per token, it won't necessarily matter whether you buy at 35,000 or 40,000 per token. Either way, you could still make a lot of money if crypto succeeds. Nobody knows whether cryptocurrency will succeed over the long run, so it is a risky investment. For that reason, if you're a risk-averse investor, crypto may not be the right choice for you. There are ways to limit your risk when buying cryptocurrencies though. For one, you can make sure you have a well-diversified portfolio filled with solid stocks. This way, if your crypto investments don't perform well, the rest of your portfolio may remain strong. It is important to only invest money that you can realistically afford to lose. Putting your life savings behind cryptocurrency is a recipe for disaster, but investing a small amount that will have little impact on your finances will reduce your risk. Whether or not you choose to invest in cryptocurrencies is a personal decision and also depends on your strategy. If you can afford it and are able to tolerate higher risk investments, buying now may be a smart move. But if cryptocurrency isn't right for you, there are plenty of other investments out there. The next article for today, SHIBA INU price forecast. SHIBA INU has only one side, and it is to go down. SHIBA INU price does not capitalize on the momentum in the cryptocurrency complex, the presence of a credible support, or the eToro announcement yesterday. It is a frustrating scenario for SHIBA INU investors. It indicates a strong reluctance to traffic in the newer, higher-risk cryptocurrencies, despite evidence of a renewed risk-on spirit in the cryptocurrency complex over the last 10 days. As a result, the risk remains tilted on the downside indefinitely. SHIBA INU price still has not found a catalyst, raising doubts for the meme token. On July 21, SHIBA INU price was presented with the opportunity as it released from a minor descending parallel channel, captured the May 19 low of 0.00000607 and the larger descending parallel channel's midline. Moreover, it is accompanied by a strong bid in the cryptocurrency complex offering a tailwind for SHIB. However, SHIBA INU price shook off brief impulsiveness and have been drifting along the support designed by May 19 low and the larger channel's midline, leaving several doji candle patterns. The important support level has not inspired a bid, even on the eToro news, and the indecision represented by the doji's candlestick patterns portends that the sideways price action is a pause in the SHIB decline and began early in July. The obvious inflection point on the upside of SHIBA INU price is the 50-day moving average. at 0.0000730, which have been hovering above SHIB since it appeared late in June. A daily close above the moving average would clear meme token for a sprint to the upper line of the larger descending parallel channel around 0.0000828, generating a 13.5% gain from the moving average. A daily close above the larger channel's upper line introduces a new scenario for Shiba Inu price, where it is not restricted by a tactically important moving average or the boundaries of a pattern. Instead, it can push to trigger the double bottom pattern created by the lows of June 22nd and June 20th at 0.000000962 and explore the potential to advance to the May 24 high of 0.0001204 or the May 20 high of 0.0001214, representing a 66% profit from the 50-day moving average. After a sustained period of no price movement, SHIB needs to clarify its directional intention with a definitive close above or below a vital price level outline above. Until then, focus on the cryptocurrencies that demonstrate relative strength and are in a timely position for purchase. Those are the two headlines for today's news. I hope you come back tomorrow for some more cryptocurrency news. Remember, I bring this to you daily. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you tomorrow.